Hi, I'm Jerry. I work for an agency called Pave. That stands for Partnerships for Action, Voices for Empowerment. My job is to talk to schools and families to make sure that students are getting the help they need for learning. Sometimes learning is hard when we get worried or afraid or angry. There are lots of emotions that can take over when we're trying to focus on something, but we just can't. I'm going to teach you something you can do today to stop, look at your hand, and find your breath so that you can settle down and get a little bit more sure about what you want to do or say next. I start to get worked up, I stop, I turn my hand toward my face, and then I'm going to use my hand to help me breathe. So I'm going to take a finger on my other hand, and I'm going to start on the outside of my thumb, and I'm going to notice that I'm breathing. So I'm going to exhale. Now I'm going to breathe in, and I'm going to go up my thumb. And I'm going to breathe out, and I'm going to come down inside my thumb. I'm going to breathe up my first finger, and I'm going to breathe out down my finger. Breathe up the next finger, just like a mountain, and breathe down the finger. Breathing up, and exhale down. One more time for the pinky finger. Inhale up. And this time I'm going to exhale all the way down to my elbow. And then I'm just going to rest my hands on my legs. And I'm going to notice what I feel in my body now after taking 5 deep breaths. That's better. I feel ready to learn now. I hope you have a great day, and maybe you'll read a really good book today. Bye.